Grade two, grade two, grade two. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Okay, now it's our last subject, science. Okay, so these are the last topics about plants. So the importance of plants to people. Importance of plants to people. So, for example, we have um, coconut tree. From the coconut tree, we can get a lot of things from the coconut trees. The first one is, let's talk about the trunk of the coconut tree. The trunk of the coconut tree is used for building small houses, boats, and furniture. So look at this one. This is from the trunk of the coconut tree. So what next is the leaves of the coconut tree. The leaves of the coconut tree can be used as a temporary roofing materials. So this one, when Teacher Bell was young, when she's in elementary, our roof is like this. But now it's not. Look, this is our house. Yeah, it's not, it's yellow already. It's not coconut tree anymore. Okay, I'm still here in Mindoro. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to Cavite next week. And then the midribs, remember the midribs? The midribs of the coconut, we can make it into brooms, this one. Okay, next is the fruit. Okay, the young coconut gives us juice, and the meat inside the coconut fruit can also be made into a coconut a pie or a jam. We can use also this when we're gonna make when we make buko salad. Okay, and then the mature coconut fruit can be made into copra and oil. Also, the coconut water is a nutritious drink. It can be also used as a therapy for some illnesses. Next, the uses of plants. Plants give people and animals food to eat. So we have here vegetables, we have some fruits, and then the animals need grass. Some animals eat grass and other parts as food too. Okay? Plants, especially trees, give us wood for building materials. And we can make tables, we can make chairs out of it, we can make cabinets, okay, from the wood. Okay, also, some plants give us materials for our clothes. So this one is the cotton plant. From this, we can make clothes. And this is the pineapple. From the pineapple fiber, you can make the barong Tagalog and the barotsaya for the girls. Okay, these are our national costume. Okay, other plants give us rubber and paper. Okay, so this one, rubber, or sometimes a razor, and then some trees we can make out of it. We can make it into a paper. Next, some plants can also cure human diseases like the aloe vera. We have here also the what else? Holy basil, eucalyptus, ginseng, asparagus. Okay, so these are also the guava leaves. Many plants can be used as a medicine. And also, the trees give us shade. Look at this boy. And they also serve as homes to some animals. Okay, now, please get your, not Bible, get your science book and open it on page 163. 163. Okay, so the instruction here is write the part of the plant that is used for food. Write the part of the plant that is used for food. So for the banana plant, what do we eat there? What part of the banana plant do we eat? Yeah, it's the fruit. So you're gonna write there fruit. Fruit. Now I'm gonna help you first up to 1 to 3. Then 4 to 10, you're gonna answer on your own. Number 2, petchay. For the petchay plant, we can we used leaves, right? The leaves. We use the leaves as a food. We eat the leaves of the petchay. Leaves, right? The leaves. And number 3, the gabi plant, we can use the leaves, and we also eat the fruit, leaves and fruit, and stem. Yeah, leaves, fruit, and stem. Okay, please write it there. And now you're gonna answer this on your own. Okay, number 4, for the mango tree, what do we eat in mango tree, right? Next, number 5, what do we eat in kamote plant? Kamote plant, what do we eat? Number 6, malunggay plant. What do we eat in malunggay plant? Next, number 7, what do we eat in carrot plant? Carrot. Number 8, in santol tree. What do we eat in santol tree? Number 9, the squash plant. Squash plant. And number 10, the kangkong plant. What do we eat in kangkong plant? Okay, done? Raise your hand if you're done. So, if you are not yet done, you can pause this video and then play it later when you finish. Those who are done, let's proceed to our next topic. Our next topic is proper ways to conserve growing plants. Proper way to conserve growing plants. So plants grow. Their size and height change as they grow. As you can see from the seed, and then mag-grow ng ganon, then go up there, then like this, okay? When a seed is planted under a favorable condition, if the soil is good, if you're watering it properly, good soil, enough water and warmth, it grows roots, stems, and leaves, and it becomes a small plant. And the plant undergoes changes as it grows. It changes in size and in height. The stems grows upward and spreads out in different directions. More branches come out, and the size and the number of its leaves also change. Its roots continue to grow and develop. Some spread out sideward, while the others grow deeper into the soil. Okay, so now we're gonna learn what are the ways of growing plants. Ways of growing plants. So the first one is through the seed. Most green plants grow from seed. When there's a seed, it will grow. Just put it up in the good soil and then it will just grow, okay? A seed contains a dormant or sleeping young plant. Okay, number 2, we can grow plants by cutting. Okay, when we cut it here, and let me read first the cutting meaning of cutting. Cutting is the process of trimming certain parts of the stem and then rooting them to produce a new plant. So for example, you cut on this side, okay? You cut this stem. If you cut that, after cutting it, planted it in the soil and it will grow. So that one is cutting, okay? Cutting. So first, we can grow plants by planting the seed, and the second one is by cutting. We cut the stem and then plant it in the good soil, water it, and it will grow, okay? The third one is from the bulb. Some plants grow from bulbs, okay? A bulb is a group of leaves. So this one, that grow under the ground. Onions and lilies grow from bulbs. So this one is I think this one is onion. Yeah, it's onions. So this one is they grow from valves. Now, number 4, some plants grow from shoots. Okay, shoots are young plants that are not yet developed. This is the banana, for example. This is the banana, and then some shoots will grow here, and then after that, you're gonna get it. The shoots, you're gonna get it, and then plant it to another area. So that one is shoots. The banana plants and the bamboo plants grow from shoots, banana and bamboo. Okay, next, new plants can also grow from leaves. So this one, a new plant can come out from a mature leaf. A new katakataka plant grows from the leaves of its mature plant. So this one, from the mature plant, mag-grow ng leaves. So yun yung way of growing nila. Okay, plant needs of plants to grow. We know this already. Plants need water, need sun, excuse me, need sunlight, soil, and air in order to live and grow healthy. They also need fertilizers. Fertilizers are plant nutrients which are added to the soil. Okay? If For example, we have sunlight, we have soil and air, but there's no enough water, our plants will not grow healthy. If one of these is missing, then your plant is not good. It's not healthy. It must be complete. Okay po? And plants also need care. Plants grow better when we take care of them. It's not that you after planting it, bahala ka na mag-grow on its own. No, you need to take good care of your plants. It's like your baby. Okay? Now, ways to show love and care for plants. The first one is we need to water our plants every day. Like us, we need water every day. So also the plants need water every day. Next, number 2, pull out the weeds around and remove the pest from the plants. So for example, this is your plants and there's weeds, yung damo-damo, you need to remove it. Why? So that only your plant can get the nutrients from the soil. If there's a weeds or if there's weeds around your plant, then they are also getting the nutrients of the soil where you planted your plant. So you need to remove the weeds so that only your plant can get the nutrients from the soil. And if there's pest, you need to remove it also. Okay, number 3, avoid picking flowers. So you need to avoid that. Number 4, fence your vegetable garden to protect it from animals, especially the vegetables that are still small. You need to protect it from the animals because the animals cannot read. Like unlike us, we can read. Do not step here. Do not cross this area. We can read that one. It means there's small plants, but the animals, they can't read. So because they cannot read, you will be the one to protect your plant so that they will not cross or step on it. Next is um we know this already that if we if we remove or if we cut all the trees in our mountains or in our forest, the animals in the forest will have no home, and the lowlands will easily get flooded when the heavy rains come. Okay, have you ever experienced walking in flooded places? Me, yes. I've already experienced that one. Okay, so for us not to experience that one, we need to take good care of our environment. Plant trees. Okay po? We need to always plant trees. Now, please open your book again on page 172. Page 172. Okay, let me read the instruction. It says here, how do these plants grow? Write your answer in the blank and choose your answer from the word in the box. Seeds is cuttings, shoots, leaves, or bulbs. Okay, number one, the onion. The onion grows by seeds, cutting, shoots, leaves, or bulbs. Write your answer. Okay, let's go to number two, the bamboo. Bamboo, like the one that I told you in the banana plant. The the young plant will grow here, and what do you call to that one? So bamboo. The bamboo grows by seeds, cutting, shoots, leaves, or bulbs. Now let's go to number three. Number three, mango. Let's go to number four, katakataka. Kataka, taka. And number five, gumamela. 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 Okay po, those for your assignment, study for our quiz tomorrow and take a picture of pages 163 and 172 and send it in our class dojo. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow. Bye!